Salamin ko, kakagaling lang yun. Kasi si Daini, classmate or one of your, sa Lusubel, Lasal Subel. Yeah, probably. Kamusta kayo?
We did, kung wala pa dahil, iba when we were here, we said, 9 District 1. So we were able to finish yung District 1 within salamin. So classes with sound, kaya tapos ako ng pandemic.
Okay.
So hindi na kami tumuloy, ngayon lang kami bumalik, mayor na ulit.
Thank you. Oh, thank you naman. Sana mabasa kayo ng bulan. Nang dumami ko.
Si Auntie, Delta siya.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
1,000 lectures po yun.
Oo, malaking bagay yun.
Hindi lang po 1,000 yan. Pag nagkakaroon pa, more than that po kami. Kasi one week na kami nagsimula nun, biglang nag-pandemic, dapat nauna kami sa Latina. Biglang nag-pandemic din ng Mars.
Pero may March tayo.
Tayo po.
Mars po.
Tuloy natin.
Marami siguro pa.
Classes we gave for your district 1, your school, was 5,000 until the April kami. And right now, at least the whether it is Michelle and she's the one, she is the patient care, si Auntie is the head of
Yung nunal mo, swerte ko. Yung nanay ko, may nunal din. Pareho kayo ng nanay ko. Sige, on behalf of the people of Manila, thank you in advance. And thank you in the past. Make sure you have the resources of the city to assist you. And at the very least,
the average condition is everything is free. Down to the teachers, to non-teaching.
whatever logistical needs na pwede namin maitokto.
We-decided po kasi ito ako. Kasi gusto po namin, isa na lang yung kausap. Hindi, pag nakita yung kami doon, sino ba yan? Para po alam niya na Alvarez Foundation, we do something in Manila. Alam niya na agad na, oo, kilala.
Diyos na lang ang bahala sa kapatid. We
You
need a
help,
lot of help.
you help us a lot during the pandemic. I remember there was this in Lorena.
Vaccination.
Yeah, and all my staff went there. So one time, big time of a job.
Inopen ko talaga yun. Inopen ko talaga yun. To save and protect as many human beings as possible. Not because you are from here or you're from us. It's about human saving lives. That the concept of having it open to any John Doe's in there, it's about a life can be protected or saved. Kaya even our medicine like tocilizumab, molnupiravir, remdesivir was made available to any John Doe's in there na nasa bingit ng infection. Kasi may certain level yung mga gamot na yun. And as you progress, medyo pamahal ng gamot. It's not about the money. Some patients, they have a jet, they have a helicopter, they have a condo there. But no amount of money can access particular products or medicine, only the government. At the time, there is no use for the money. Kung kami lang ang may access, why would we deprive somebody whom maybe in God's will can survive? Which did happen. Maraming mga pasyente, meron pa ako mga 82, oral vaccine o Diaz sa ospital. Intubated. Nung dumating yung gamot, nabuhay. Families. Very happy. A very old lady. These are the things that the principle behind it is really about human lives. Human life.
Dahil naman po dun sa ginawa nito, na-inspire naman din ang Alvarez saan niyo ba kailangan ng warm food? Binigay sila nila sa amin
Mga
na
quarantine kasi.
yung mga quarantine facilities, binibigyan po namin ng pagkain everyday. Hanggang sinabi nila, wala na kami dito sa lalo. Hindi sila pumunta ko sa amin, kami ang taga sa kanila.
Kaya nga, kung isa pagka sinasabi ko sa pasalamat ko lang natin na we survive. It's time to recover, heal ourselves, economically, emotionally, all other things. So, we hate among each other because of politicians. There's no point hating each other because you're a different color of mind. And kaya makikita sa finance, and I think the pandemic teaches us a very good lesson.
Until now, every time I will say, remember the pandemic. Because if you didn't learn anything from the pandemic, you never learn.
It's there to learn.
Yes.
Because during our lifetime, halos isang taon hindi tayo umikot. Hindi
Wala
umikot.
na.
Kasi hindi ka pa makapahinga. Kasi baka yung kasama mo kakain sa lamesa, which is your loved one, got infected, and the moment that he got infected, you'll never see him or her until lumabas siya sa hospital.
Or,
Kasi hindi mo na siya talaga makikita. You cannot even visit. Buti sabi ko nga nung buti pa ang cancer. Buti pa ang mga malalang sakit. You can stay in the hospital. Give warmth or affection, attention to your loved one. At least kahit paano nandun ka. With COVID, no. It's either you go out there walking or being brought to somewhere else. That's it. Kaya sabi ko that you really give value. You really have to give value in that situation. And you don't try to have nothing happen. And the food, kami, we were very happy. We projected the economic repercussion. 8 months kami kumain. 700,000 families. Every month, bibigyan namin ng pagkain. Food boxes. Nakaraos kami. Kulang, pero nakaraos kami. But we don't want it in the same situation. Kaya kailangan kaya ginagawa rin yun yan. Talagang malaking bagay. Dala natin. Yan, ikinusahin. Iba yung tinhi sa ikinus. Mas malalim ang kirot ng ikinus. Mas tumatalim. Kaya nga, hindi pa man, at saka sa nakaraan. Kaya pasalamat ko on behalf of the people of Manila. We are very grateful. So thank you very much. Pwede ba akong pa-picture? Well, ano mo kami, Ed? Bigyan tayo dito, ma'am. Naman tayo.
we appreciate your work.
May awa niyo sa mabubuti ko.
Kaya kami po ano ba natin.
I would choose the city.
Okay.